The Samsung Galaxy Z Roll 5G is one of the most intriguing next-generation smartphone concepts from Samsung, representing a shift beyond traditional foldables into rollable display technology. Instead of folding on a hinge like the Galaxy Z Fold, this device is expected to feature an expanding AMOLED screen that stretches from a standard 6.8-inch phone size up to a larger display, potentially around 8 inches, giving users both compact portability and a tablet-like experience without visible creases. Rumors and leaks suggest the Z Roll 5G could come with a high refresh rate screen, possibly 120 Hz, a powerful Snapdragon chipset with 12 GB of RAM, and a versatile triple-lens camera system, including a high-resolution main sensor and a strong front shooter for selfies and video calls, all under the fast 5G connectivity banner. Its design is tipped to include premium materials, water resistance, and robust performance, while Samsung software is expected to make the most of the dynamic screen real estate for multitasking and media viewing. Although Samsung hasn't officially confirmed full details or a release date, many reports point toward a late 2025 launch, marking an exciting evolution in mobile display technology and one of the boldest departures from conventional smartphone form factors yet.